It's on Ethereum and crypto in general. As you can see, Ethereum has been seeing some impulsive rejection after mitigating the discount zone, despite the fact that it hasn't actually tapped into the key level that I was anticipating to buy from, being my extreme discount zone from the range low and the range high. Despite the fact that we haven't tapped into that, but you can see how we're rejecting nicely from the overall discount zone, from the overall range high to the overall range low. So when I'm talking about the overall range low, range high, this is what I mean by that. This is what I mean from this. This is my overall range low. This is my overall range high. And you can see that Ethereum came down into the discount zone. This right here is equilibrium. Anything below it is discount. And one thing I always teach all our members is, if you want to be a long-term investor, you can use a very simple strategy, which is buying from the discount, dollar cost averaging into the market when it comes to a discount. An area like this, and this is what you get from areas like this. You can see if price should impulsively dive into this key level, the discount, it's an opportunity to dollar cost averaging into the market. Now, personally, for me as a trader, I'm not actually on any trade. I'm not buying this yet. I'm not in it. And the reason is because for trading perspective, I'm anticipating for price to come a little bit lower into this key level right here. This is the key level that I would have preferred to buy from. The inefficiency, either from the higher inefficiency or from the lower inefficiency. Those are the key levels that, for the trading perspective, that is the key level that I'll prefer to buy from. And you can also see how this extreme premium zone, you can see how beautifully price mitigated it. And you can see how price rejected off it. And that rejection sent us straight to a discount for a potential reaccumulation and potential continuation to the upside. Because overall, despite the fact that we're seeing all this impulse move to the downside, I still remain very bullish. Because if you look at the bigger time frame perspective, for example, if you look at 6-month time frame and remove everything on the chart, we are massively bullish. This is literally the most beautiful bullish structure I've ever seen. Low resistance liquidity, retracement before a potential expansion to run this all-time high eventually. So even if we see another retracement, I'm still going to look for opportunity for this to continue higher. And that being said, I'm just going to take this off because I don't really need it so much. I just wanted to use it for an illustration. So you can see so far we're having this impulse move on Ethereum. Now, for me to ascertain I'm bullish from here, I'm bullish overall, don't get me wrong, but for me to start looking for a trade on Ethereum, I would like to see at least right now a 4-hour break of structure. And where is the potential 4-hour break of structure? We already have a range high here. So unless Ethereum breaks through this high, that's when I'll say, okay, this low right here could be solid. And then I'll be looking for a potential continuation to the upside from this low being the bottom, and then continuation to the upside. But personally, right now with what we're seeing, even though price is spiking up here, we're still not out of the woods yet. Anything can still happen, and it could still drag price to come down into that monthly inefficiency resting right there. So right here, you can see the monthly inefficiency. You can see right there, you can see this one right here. So I'm watching this very closely, and if price should come in there, then I'll look for an opportunity to trade it, leverage trading. But if it doesn't come there, I'm just going to be on the sidelines on Ethereum and just allow it to do its thing. If it wants to keep rallying, let it keep rallying. Overall, I'm bullish on Ethereum. Like I've always said, I'm bullish on NASDAQ. I'm bullish on the crypto market. I want to see the crypto market really explode. But in the meantime, we're going to encounter a lot of retracements, a lot of rejections, a lot of high impact news could potentially come out and could send price to astronomical lows. And most people are going to just jump out and not be interested in crypto anymore. But eventually, if we're looking at the long-term perspective, overall, you can see we've always been bullish. And even though we dropped impulsively here, we still rallied And though we dropped impulsively, I still want to see a rally to continue to the upside. So that is my analysis. If you want more precise, more support, you can pretty much just send us a message either in the comment section, or you can send one of our team a direct message, and we will support you, give you a one-on-one touch, and help you in your trading and investment journey in crypto and also in forex as well. So I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you next video.